Cortisol is a hormone that is produced by the body's adrenal glands in response to stress. In women, high levels of cortisol can cause a number of negative health effects, including weight gain, anxiety, and difficulty sleeping. If you're looking to lower your cortisol levels, there are several things you can try. 1. Get regular exercise. Exercise has been shown to reduce cortisol levels and improve overall health. 2. Practice stress-reducing techniques such as meditation, yoga, or deep breathing exercises. 3. Get enough sleep. Lack of sleep can increase cortisol levels, so aim for at least 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep per night. 4. Eat a healthy, balanced diet that includes plenty of fruits and vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats. 5. Consider supplements such as ashwagandha or magnesium, which have been shown to help reduce cortisol levels. 6. Limit caffeine and alcohol consumption, as both can increase cortisol levels in the body. By making these lifestyle changes, you may be able to lower your cortisol levels and improve your overall health and well-being. However, it's important to speak with a healthcare professional if you're experiencing persistent high levels of cortisol or any related symptoms.